I'm sure the shocking, worrying, and rather infuriating case from Pune would have caught your attention, wherein the drunk son of a renowned realtor was released in a mere 15 hours after mowing down two people with his luxury car. Now, the juvenile's father, Vishal Agarwal, who is a prominent real estate builder, has been detained. The bar owner, as well as the bar manager who had allegedly served liquor to the juvenile on the night of the accident, has also been arrested. Another hotel owner has also been arrested as the accused had consumed alcohol at more than one place, allegedly. Now, remember, the bail conditions for the juvenile had garnered wide criticism. Some of the conditions included working with the traffic police for 15 days, writing an essay on the accident, undergoing treatment for his drinking habits, and taking counseling sessions.
We will try and prove to all concerned, all stakeholders, we have adopted the most stringent possible approach, and we shall do whatever is at our command to ensure that the two young lives which were lost gets justice and the accused gets duly punished.
Now we're crossing over to my colleague Shweta to get us more on this. Shweta, when it comes to something that had developed yesterday, now the police have been trying to see if this juvenile can be tried as an adult. How long will it take for a response to come on that? When can we know whether or not he's going to be tried as an adult or not?
After much public uproar, what we can is that firstly the juvenile board came into light, and that has not gone well with, of course, public. But here we also see that Pune police has been intensifying their investigation, wherein 3 arrests have been already made so far in this particular regard, where an underage driver, 17-year-old boy, was driving, in fact, rash driving the sedan Porsche. And here what we understand is that as far as the bail conditions which were laid down by the juvenile board were not very serious in nature. In fact, the entire incident where we see the underage driver has killed 2 people in the road rage, of course. Here we see that as far as the juvenile board is concerned, we really haven't heard any kind of official statement coming out from them after the bail conditions. Like the minor, in fact, he got the bail just after 15 hours he was detained. Here, 3 people have been arrested. One is, of course, the son's father, Vishal Agarwal. He has been arrested. Now, the case is, of course, taking its own turn. It will be important to see that how many arrests will be made in next few hours by Pune police.
All right, Shweta, thank you so much for joining us and giving us more information on that. Now, meanwhile, the Uddhav Sena has called for the sacking of the police commissioner, while also saying that the corrupt nexus of power and connections needs to end.
पुलिस कमिश्नर को सस्पेंड करिए। उसने आरोपी को बचाने की कोशिश की है। एक कपल, युवा कपल 25 साल का, जिस बेरहमी से कुचल दिया, और जो लड़का है शराबी, उसको 2 घंटे में बेल मिलता है। हाँ, उसका रिपोर्ट मेडिकल नेगेटिव आता है। जो शराब पिया है वो वीडियो सामने है। कौन मदद कर रहा है? पुलिस कमिश्नर कौन है? ये पुलिस कमिश्नर सस्पेंड करो, नहीं तो पुणे की जनता को सड़क पर उतरना होगा।